So hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll see the functional group carboxylic acid. Before starting the video, I would like to remind you all again that still those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get the latest updates of all the upcoming videos. So let's start the video. So carboxylic acid general formula is R C O O H, right? You can write this in this way also, R C O O H, right? This is the expanded form. Okay, so in this R is alkyl group and this COOH is functional group of carboxylic acid, right? Now we'll see the suffix part. The suffix which we are using for carboxylic acid is oic acid, OIC acid, right? We'll see some examples. Suppose the carboxylic acid given to you is HCOOH, right? There are two systems of naming this. One is IUPAC system and the other one is common system. In IUPAC system, the carboxylic acid is named as alkanoic acid, right? In this alkanoic acid, alk denotes the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain, so that is word root. Ane is primary suffix and oic acid is secondary suffix. Okay, so if you see the IUPAC name of this acid, then it has only one carbon atom in the parent chain. So for one carbon atom, we are using the word root meth. Whenever meth, always ane you have to use, followed by suffix oic acid. So the name becomes methanoic acid. Okay. Now if you come to the common system, the common name of carboxylic acid is derived from the substance from which they are isolated. Okay. So the common name for HCOOH is formic acid. Okay. So this formic acid is derived from the word formica. So this comes from formica, and this formica in Greek means ant, right? So this formic acid, the content of the formic acid is similar to that found in the ant, so that is why the name formic acid. Okay, so the common name is formic acid and IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Okay, one more thing you see here, that in IUPAC name we are using the suffix oic acid and in common name we are using the suffix ic acid. Okay, so here oic acid, here ic acid, right? One more example, CH3 COOH, if you see the IUPAC name, the IUPAC name for this is, you have 2 carbon atom in the parent chain. So for 2 carbon atom, word root is eth. You have single bond, so enoic acid. So IUPAC name is ethanoic acid, and the common name for this is acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay, again it is present in vinegar, and that is why it got the name acetic acid. Okay, we will see some more examples. So these are 2 examples. Again here you can see the COOH group, that is carboxylic acid group, is always occupying the terminal position. So it is a terminal functional group. Never it will come in between the chain. Okay, either this side or this side, always at the terminal position. Okay, so you have to select the longest chain. So here the longest chain, either you can take this or this one, right? So we will take this as the longest chain. Keep in mind that the longest chain must include the COOH group, and the numbering of the chain must start from the COOH carbon. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So we will write the name now. You have one CH3 group present at 5th position. CH3 is methyl and is always written in prefix. So the name becomes 5-methyl, prefix part over. Now you have to see the parent chain. You have 6 carbon atom in the parent chain. So for 6 carbon atom, word root is hex. You have a double bond between 2nd and 3rd carbon. So always the first position you should take. Okay. So hex 2 ene, and the suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid. So 5-methyl hex 2 ene oic acid. Okay. Now if you split this, this part is your prefix, this part is your word root, this is primary suffix, and this is secondary suffix. Okay. Coming to the next example, you have to select the longest chain. If I am coming this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, it has 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So we will take this one as the longest chain. This one, right? After selecting the longest chain, you have to number the chain. The numbering should be done from the side from where COOH is coming at the first position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now I can see that there is a methyl group at which position? 3rd carbon. So what I will write now? 3-methyl. Okay. How many carbon atoms in the parent chain? 5. So for 5 carbon, word root is pent. Okay. And all the carbon atoms have single bond. So ane, then oic and acid, right? We will see some more examples. So if you see these examples, again this is my longest chain. You have to number the chain from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I can see here at 2nd carbon you have one Br, right? This Br always in prefix you will write, and this will be written as bromo. Okay, and at fourth carbon you have one more prefix Cl, which is written as chloro. Okay, so now we'll write the name. You have two prefixes, so you should write in alphabetical order. So B comes before C. So 2-bromo, 4-chloro, prefix part over, then parent chain we will see. How many carbon? 5. So for 5 carbon, word root is pent. You have single bond between them, ane, followed by oic acid. So 2-bromo, 4-chloro, pentanoic acid. Okay, coming to the next example. This is your parent chain. You have to number the parent chain. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again you can see on second carbon you have 1 chloro, this is chloro, and on third carbon you have 1 methyl, right? So the name becomes 2-chloro, 3-methyl. Okay, prefix part over. Now parent chain. How many carbon atoms? 4. So for 4 carbon, word root is but. You have single bond between all. So ane, oic acid, right? So 2-chloro, 3-methyl butanoic acid. Okay, so this whole part is prefix. This part is word root, ane is primary suffix, and oic acid is secondary suffix. Here also this whole part is your prefix, pent is word root, ane is primary suffix, and oic acid is secondary suffix. Okay, so I hope the nomenclature of carboxylic acid is clear to you. Still, if you have any questions, you can very well ask me in the comment section without any hesitation, and definitely I'll clear all your doubts. So thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.